Welcome to Pareto Labs and our course on how to build models.
Please excuse the crudity of this model. I didn't have time to build it to scale or to paint it.
No, not that kind of model. How to build models in Excel.
Got it. We'll meet your instructor for this course, our good friend, Sean Griffin. Sean worked as a management consultant at one of the most elite firms on the planet, the Boston Consulting Group. He also worked in strategy at the Walt Disney Company and has an MBA from Wharton. So, Sean, tell us about the course.
Sure. I'm going to take you step by step through the process of building 3 Excel models from scratch. We'll start with return on investment, then move on to net present value, and finish up with the discounted cash flow.
Learning how to build models in Excel can really set you apart at work. If you have an idea you want to pitch, you'll be able to explain the financial benefits. If you're an entrepreneur, it'll help you make decisions about how to spend your money efficiently. And if you're a manager, you'll know what to look for when your finance department shows you a model and analysis.
By the end of this course, you'll understand how to determine the financial impact of any decision you make at work.
And that's a good thing. Okay, everyone, this is Pareto Labs, How to Build Models in Excel.